lovely viewers, we are here once again. Today is another amazing day. We are here to introduce one of our local Ghanaian dish known as Apraprasan. Oh yes, Apraprasan is very simple to prepare at home and it's very delicious too. Without wasting much time, I would like to introduce my ingredients to you guys, then we start cooking. Before that, I'll urge you guys to subscribe, like, share the videos for us, then you also leave your comments in the comment section. I'll be back to introduce my ingredients to you guys. First of all, we have our roasted maize powder, which we are going to use to cook our food. Then we also have our palm nuts, which we'll be using to prepare the soup. Then we have our chicken too. We'll be adding it to our fish to prepare our soup. Then we also have our cotton that we are going to use to prepare our food today. Then we have our dry fish, which we'll be adding it to the chicken for the soup, which is amen. Then we also have ansasawa, which we are going to use at the same time. Then we have our pepper, red pepper that we are going to add to prepare our soup. Then we have our onions, big size, we'll be using to prepare our soup. Then we have our fresh tomatoes, which we are going to use to prepare our soup. Then we also have shrimp powder, which we are going to use to steam the meat and everything here. Then we have our ginger and garlic. Then we are going to add it to the shrimp powder for the steaming method. Then we also have our momoni that we are going to add. Then we have brown beans that we are going to add it to the soup in the process of cooking our food today. Then we have our seasoning powders that we are going to use. So we've done with the introduction of the ingredients. So please subscribe, then you share the videos for us. Please guys, follow the steps whilst we are cooking. I will invite you guys to join me. I know you guys will do it. Let's start cooking. Now we are going to put our brown beans on fire to cook it before we add it to our food. So now our palm nut is on fire. We have to cook it before we use it for the soup. So I will leave it on till it cooks before I will use it for the soup. Our vegetables are nicely washed. I've added water to it, so I'm going to steam it before I use it for my soup. The palm nut is ready, so we are going to take it off from the fire. Then we continue with the rice. At this moment, our meat is on fire, so we are going to add our ingredients to it to steam it before we continue with the soup. So first of all, I'm adding my shrimp powder to it. Then my chopped onions. The blended ingredients. Our salt. Seasoning powder. Now we have to leave it on. We are going to add our palm nuts to it. So very soon our soup will be ready. I'm now going to add my vegetables to it. My blended vegetables. So now our soup is ready. So we are about to cook our apraprasan. So we are to add the corn flour to it. You add it like this.
Now our delicious Apraprasan is ready, so I'm going to take it off from the fire. Then I serve for my family members to consume it from me. You know I have consumers association there, so they will never disappoint me. So when you are watching this video, please like, share, subscribe, leave your comments in the comment section. Then you also tell us where you are watching it from, so that whenever we post a video, you should be the first person to get a notification. So you are going to enjoy it. The creator one here. Hello lovely people, thank you for being with us from the initial stage. Now our Apraprasan is ready, so we are about to consume it. I told you guys that I have consumers association. They never disappoint me. Whenever my food is ready, they are ready to consume everything. So please guys, if you want a good food or delicious food, go to Eagle Eye Angle. If you subscribe to our channel, you will get a correct food over there. So please subscribe, share, then you also press the notification bell. Whenever we post a video, you should be the first person to get a notification. We love you guys. Join us to consume our food. Let's start. Hey Jenny.
Hello, bonsoir. C'est que nous suivons. Aujourd'hui, ils ont préparé encore un autre repas. C'est pas français. Et ils ont préparé aujourd'hui ce qui nous regarde. Cette vidéo, ce qui vous intéresse de suivre. Ils n'ont qu'à télécharger ça pour suivre et s'entraîner à préparer ce repas. Ils puissent aller sur Angle pour suivre toutes ces vidéos et suivre. C'est vraiment merveilleux. Cet repas est vraiment doux. Vous pouvez aller et télécharger ça et vous allez constater ce qui se passe. Vous allez aussi vous entraîner à préparer à la maison aussi et puis manger. Aujourd'hui, ils ont préparé le repas est vraiment merveilleux. Nous sommes en joie cette soirée. Je vous remercie tous ceux donc qui nous suivent cette soirée, qui n'ont qu'à Merci.
Beaucoup. Tiens, de dankasa. Nyan fou. Mute de nwa mudi. Ego ai. Opedan papa African local food. Munko ego ai, mon subscribe munko ego ai. Awo no benye duane papa. Eduane de. Menim. Well, akoto. Okay. Today we prepare Apraprasan cotton, but it's very delicious. Please, I'm encouraging you to go to their channel, Ego and please subscribe.
As you can see, we've consumed everything. Apraprasan is very easy to cook at home. It's very easy to prepare at home. It's not always that you cook soup or you prepare soup before you use to cook your Apraprasan. Because if you have leftover soup and you don't know what to use for it, maybe you don't have any banku or any rice to use for it, you can decide to do Apraprasan just easy at home and then you consume. It's very delicious, it's very nice, it's very simple to make. We love it and we consume everything. Subscribe, like, share the video for us, then you press the notification bell. Whenever we post a video, you should be the first person to get it. Eagle Eye Angle. Subscribe!